When homeowners think about improving energy efficiency, they often focus on upgrading to high-quality windows. While choosing the right windows is important, one critical factor is often overlooked: proper installation. In Coppell, where hot summers and cooler seasonal shifts can put extra demand on your home's energy systems, how your windows are installed plays a major role in overall performance. Even the most energy-efficient windows won't deliver their full benefits if they're not installed correctly. Proper installation ensures that your investment works as intended, helping you maintain comfort, reduce energy costs, and protect your home over time. One of the most significant ways installation impacts energy efficiency is by preventing air leaks. Gaps between the window frame and the wall can allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter. In Coppell's warm climate, this means cool air can leak out during the summer, forcing your air conditioning system to work harder. Professional installation ensures a tight, secure fit that minimizes these gaps and keeps your indoor environment stable. Sealing is another essential part of the installation process. High-quality sealants and weatherproofing materials are used to create a barrier around the window frame. This prevents drafts and helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Without proper sealing, even small openings can reduce efficiency and lead to noticeable temperature fluctuations throughout your home. Insulation around the window frame also plays a key role. Professional installers use specialized materials to fill the space between the window and the wall, adding an extra layer of protection against heat transfer. This helps keep your home cooler during Coppell's hot months and more comfortable when temperatures drop, reducing the need for constant HVAC use. Alignment is another factor that directly affects performance. Windows must be installed level and square to function properly. If a window is misaligned, it may not close tightly, leaving small gaps that allow air to pass through. Over time, this can lead to drafts and reduced energy efficiency. Proper installation ensures smooth operation and a secure seal every time the window is closed. Moisture control is also closely tied to installation quality. Improperly installed windows can allow water to seep into your home, which can damage insulation and reduce its effectiveness. In Coppell, where occasional storms and humidity can occur, preventing moisture intrusion is essential. Professional installers use proper flashing and sealing techniques to protect your home from water damage and maintain energy performance. Another benefit of proper installation is improved durability. Windows that are not installed correctly can shift, warp, or develop seal failures over time. These issues can lead to energy loss and costly repairs. When windows are installed by experienced professionals, they are more likely to maintain their integrity and efficiency for years to come. Noise reduction is an added advantage. A well-installed window creates a tight barrier that not only blocks air but also reduces outside noise. This contributes to a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment, an important benefit for homeowners in active Coppell neighborhoods. Proper installation also enhances the performance of energy-efficient features like low-E glass and multi-pane construction. These technologies are designed to regulate heat transfer, but they rely on a proper seal to work effectively. Without correct installation, their benefits can be significantly reduced. In addition to performance, installation affects the overall appearance of your windows. Poorly installed windows may have uneven gaps, visible seams, or misaligned frames, which can detract from your home's look. Professional installation ensures a clean, polished finish that enhances both interior and exterior aesthetics. Working with experienced installers also means your project will meet local building standards and best practices. This ensures your windows are not only efficient but also safe and compliant with regulations in Coppell. Ultimately, proper window installation is what brings your energy-efficient upgrade to life. It ensures your windows perform at their best, helping you maintain a comfortable home while reducing energy costs. For homeowners in Coppell, investing in professional installation is just as important as choosing high-quality windows. When done right, it delivers lasting benefits, improved efficiency, enhanced comfort, and long-term value you can rely on every day.